This Nathan Muzzle Brakes and More doing another muzzle brake test. I've had a lot of questions about 3 versus 4 port brakes on small caliber, so this is a 6x47 Lapua with 123 AMAXs at 2960. So I'm just gonna test this 3 port. It's an 865 Beast brake and in a 3 port, and I'm going to test this against a 865 4 port and a APA little bastard. Okay, here's the 865 4 port Beast brake. Here's the APA little bastard. So here's the results. The 3 and 4 port brake went the exact same distance. Both the Beast brakes were slightly better than the APA brake. So it tells you, answers the question whether the small capacity cases benefit from a 4 port. Since they went the same distance, there's no need for it.